Let's see how the other homies are doing. What's up?
What up?
What's going on here? Hey, DP missing pieces or what? Inlet, huh? DP Earth. Doe Graham?
Vlogging?
Yeah. So gay, huh? Become one of those guys walking around with the acting like. And then I'll get mad at people when like I get in their way when they get in my way. When it's public area, right? And then they call it a job, huh? I'm not gonna lie, dude, I could not do this. Like, good thing we have somebody that edits this stuff for us because I would not be able to edit any of this stuff.
Oh, all the footage?
Yeah. Dude, what are you doing right here?
Oh, I gotta pull the bushing out.
F it. All right. Sounds good.
Yep.
Hunter.
Hunter line.
Horrible product. Had nothing but problems since the day we got it. It must have been because it was a SEMA special. They gave us all the problematic ones. Well, now they come out and try to fix it. Again. And again. How long you been doing the alignments?
3 hours.
Dang.
Yep.
3 hours and you're already that good at it? Sick.
Oh. Maybe, I think coming up on a year.
A year?
Yeah.
Nice.
I think that's what we're coming up on.
Jaren.
It's about since when Josh went on mobiles.
Dang. Freaking Jaren taking over. I need to watch out for my job. All right. Back to work.
No more fun time?
No more fun time. Well, that's what's going on in that bay. So, I have these two bays over here. We got a canopy. So this is all right. In summer, you get a little shade, but like in the winter, we feel like if we get sent over here, we feel like we're in trouble. And they're wrong. Like, it gets super windy under there. The water just runs. But hey, you know what? We're thankful we got another covered place to work, because sometimes, oh my God, where's this California? You know, shoot, I could wear shorts today if I wanted to. But a couple days ago, it was like 25-mile-an-hour winds. That's probably the worst we're gonna see. I myself, you guys have seen this. I'm doing this right here, heater core leaking. And over here, the boss is doing a GTO 60 something, 7, 6, 67, 66. What is it? I'm not sure. Yep. Did AC retrofit. Some other shop, and oh my goodness, the problem, the wire issues this thing has. The big boss is doing this one though. And in here we have nothing. Base too short for this long truck. And in the lift bay, we have on the cord at a diesel shop. This is gonna be a rear main seal right here. Gotta take the transmission out of this one. 10 hours? It'll take me 10 hours, that's for sure. You guys will probably be like 5 minutes. We got it out. And I just gotta go back to my layer to look up some information. This is the layer here. My office, where I get to look up stuff. And I have it like this so that way I can watch YouTube videos, and then I see somebody coming and boop, switch it off. But anyways, all right, y'all.